This is Claire for Blockchain of Things. In this tutorial, you will learn about the Transfer Asset node and how it's used in Catenis Flow. The Transfer Asset node allows you to transfer any specified smart assets, also known as tokens, from your virtual device that is holding smart assets to any other virtual device that allows permission for you to transfer assets to. Name the node using the Name field and set a Catenis virtual device in the Connection field. Enter the ID of the asset you will transfer into the Asset ID field. Enter the device ID of the device that will receive the assets you are sending into the Receiving Device ID field. If you have associated a unique name to your device in your Catenis administrative interface, and you prefer to use the unique name instead of a device ID, tick off the box in the Product Unique ID field and enter the unique name you call your device in the Receiving Device ID field instead of the device ID. Now let's take a look at the example flow found at this link. Copy the example flow, click the Node Red hamburger menu, and click Import to display the Import Flow dialog box. Paste the flow into the Import box and click the Import button. This flow is a working example implementing the Transfer Asset node. Note that after importing the example flow, you will need to set the Catenis Flow nodes to your own previously configured virtual device. Before you can use the example JSON object, you will need to replace the JSON object device ID and asset ID with your own IDs. You can pause this tutorial now to explore this flow on your own, and in the next video, you'll learn how to create this flow from scratch. Great! After watching this tutorial, you should understand Transfer Asset node. In our next tutorial, you'll learn how to use the Transfer Asset node to build your own flow.